We got a bonus on a $6 bet with grand eligible. Hopefully we get some good numbers up here. More than $15 ones. Come on. That's a lot of double-digit ones, so that's good. Up to 100 bucks. Come on, keep them coming. Oh, that's neat. I didn't realize those could come through there. At least we can get a minor on here, maybe. Come on, big money. No whammies. Another word, another word. Come on, some more words. Let's get up to 300 bucks. Nice. Up to 300. Oh, let's get to 400. Come on, train. Give me a mini, minor, or major. Nope, that's all she wrote. That's a good win. 356 bucks.